Have you ever given your pigs leftover food because you thought, pigs can eat anything? Think again. Many farmers believe pigs have strong stomachs and can eat almost every type of food. But that mistake has cost many people thousands of dollars. Some common foods found in almost every home can slow down pig growth, make pigs sick, reduce breeding performance, or even kill them. Imagine spending months feeding your pigs, only to lose them because of one wrong meal. In today's video, I will show you 7 foods you should never feed your pigs, explain why they are dangerous, and tell you what you should feed instead. Make sure you stay until the end, because food number 7 is one that many farmers still feed every day without knowing the danger. Let's begin. Food number 1, moldy feed. The first food you should never feed your pigs is moldy feed. Sometimes maize, wheat bran, or commercial pig feed gets wet during storage. After a few days, mold starts growing. Some farmers think removing the visible mold is enough. Unfortunately, it is not. The mold produces toxins that remain inside the feed even after removing the spoiled part. These toxins can damage the liver, reduce growth, cause diarrhea, lower fertility, cause abortions in pregnant sows, kill piglets. Always store feed in a cool, dry place. If the feed smells bad or has mold, throw it away. Buying new feed is much cheaper than losing your pigs. Food number 2, raw cassava. Cassava is common in many African countries. While properly processed, cassava can be fed to pigs. Raw cassava should be avoided. Raw cassava contains natural chemicals that can release cyanide inside the pig's body. Too much cyanide can cause weakness, difficulty breathing, poor growth, sudden death. If you want to feed cassava, peel it, slice it, dry it properly, or boil it before feeding. Proper processing makes cassava much safer. Food number 3, salty foods. The third dangerous food is salty leftovers. Examples include salted fish chips, instant noodles, highly salted soups, processed meat. Too much salt is dangerous for pigs. If pigs cannot drink enough clean water after eating salty food, they may suffer from salt poisoning. Signs include trembling, walking in circles, convulsions, death. Always provide fresh drinking water. Avoid giving pigs heavily salted human food. Food number 4, rotten fruits and vegetables. Many farmers collect spoiled fruits from markets because they are cheap. Although pigs enjoy fruits, rotten fruits are different. Rotten food contains harmful bacteria and fungi. These can cause diarrhea, stomach infections, loss of appetite, poor weight gain. Remove any rotten parts before feeding. Fresh fruit waste is much safer than spoiled fruit. Food number 5, raw meat and kitchen waste. Containing meat. Never feed pigs raw meat or uncooked kitchen waste containing meat. This is one of the fastest ways diseases spread between animals. Raw meat can carry viruses, bacteria, and parasites. Some deadly pig diseases have spread because infected meat was fed to pigs. If you feed kitchen leftovers, make sure they are properly cooked. Cooking kills many harmful germs. Never feed spoiled meat. Food number 6, chocolate, coffee, and caffeinated foods. This surprises many people. Chocolate contains a chemical called theobromine. Coffee contains caffeine. Both are harmful to pigs. Eating these foods can cause fast heartbeat nervousness, trembling seizures, death if consumed in large amounts. Keep chocolate, coffee, tea bags, and energy drinks away from pigs. They are treats for humans, not for livestock. Food number 7. Unknown or poisonous plants. The final food is poisonous plants. When pigs are allowed to roam freely, they may eat plants that are toxic. Some weeds and ornamental plants contain poisons. These can damage the liver, kidneys, nervous system. Signs include drooling, weakness, vomiting, difficulty, walk-in, sudden death. If you are unsure whether a plant is safe, do not let your pigs eat it. Keep grazing areas clean and remove poisonous weeds. What should you feed instead? Now that you know what to avoid, let's talk about good feeding. Healthy pigs need a balanced diet. Good feeds include quality commercial pig feed, properly processed maize, wheat, bran, rice, bran, soybean meal, groundnut cake, fish meal, properly processed cassava, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits in moderation, plenty of clean water. A balanced diet helps pigs grow faster, stay healthy, produce larger litters, reach market weight earlier. Remember, feeding is an investment, not an expense. The better your feed, the better your profits. Let's quickly recap the 7 foods you should never feed your pigs. Moldy feed raw, cassava, salty foods, rotten fruits and vegetables, raw meat and uncooked meat, waste, chocolate and caffeinated foods, poisonous plants. Avoiding these foods can save you money, reduce disease, and help your pigs grow faster and healthier. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with another pig farmer. You could help someone avoid a costly mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy pig farming!